When natural disasters strike, being prepared can save your valuable equipment and data. Here's a quick guide from Smart Solutions on how to protect your technology during natural disasters such as storms and hurricanes. Begin by safely shutting down and disconnecting all equipment, including workstations, printers, and any medical devices connected to your network. This helps prevent damage from power surges. Give us a call, and one of our support specialists will assist you in the safest method to shut down the equipment of the IT closet. This is a very important step since we need to guide you in the safest way to turn off the servers and critical network infrastructure equipment. If you have any concerns about equipment sensitive to power outages, now is the time to address them. Our specialists are here to help answer all your queries before the disaster hits. Our support specialist will guide and even can request a video call to ensure all critical equipment is properly unplugged. Remember, unplugging devices without proper guidance can lead to data loss or hardware damage. With Smart Solutions, you're never alone in preparing for natural disasters. Follow these steps to safeguard your technology investments. Stay safe, and remember, we're here to help you every step of the way.